Good morning to everybody. Most probably, I want to say thank you to the people living with worldwide these days because I'm uploading so much twin flames videos. So, lots of people commenting and giving me so much support, subscribing to my channel. So, thank you very much. I want to introduce myself to those who live in all around the world. I'm living in Sri Lanka. I'm highly empathic. I'm clear cognition. I'm clairvoyant, and I'm a divine channeler. So I'm creating these videos. Most probably I'm tapped into the my divine masculine's higher self. Not only that, I am the divine masculine in my past life. So I am tapped into that energy. That is why I want to speak more about today about the twin flame journey, because I read so much comments from the people who are sending about their twin flame story. So I am already working with my guides. I got so much archangels. Most probably one of the archangel is almost associating with the twin flame is Archangel Chamuel. So I want to give you some guidance what you need to know about the twin flame journey. Most probably when your twin is not in a good level, like he is not vibrating with the high light. So what you need to know about, I want to say one thing is, if you are in the twin flame journey, I want to say that is a very good opportunity to know about yourself, because I want to know that Archangel Chamuel giving me the guidance that God make this twin flame journey not only to be with a partner, with a happy lifetime, with kids, with a romantic partner. No, no. It almostly made beyond that. There should be a higher purpose involving with this twin flame journey. That is why you have to know about why this twin flame journey is more tough and why things almost getting very rough. More you have to understand about that. The twin flame journey is made most probably to know about your true self, come to your true self. So the most probably the souls incarnated to this earth as a divine people, but they are living with very difficult situation in their life until now, until you met your twin. Okay, they had bad experience in their life from their family, most probably disordered families. Their parents must be very controlling and abusive, and their partners, most probably they are, when they are in the marriage partners must be very controlling, abusive, and when they are exes. So when you meet your twin, they are not in a very good level, they are not in the very good level to give you the love that you're hoping. That is why when you met your twin, then you have to go in through the so much lessons to understand, come to the level of unconditional love. When the beginning of this love, you both are attracted to each other because your soul must be made for each other. That is the reason souls are attracting. If you didn't know about your person in this 3D world, the earthly realm, but your soul must be almostly knowing each other from the past life up to now. That is why suddenly when you are meeting your twin, the connection is almostly very addicted. I want to say that you are addicted to that person, addicted to them, because you made for each other. That is why. After that, you all have to go in through the lessons called separation. So I want to tell you one thing, that separation is only in this 3D world only, this world only. when you are not talking to your twin, when you are not physically with your twin, but the connection must be there. So there is no separation. The separation is not you are thinking about when we are not talking to each other, they will not come to us. They had to come to you. The reason why the energetic connection must be there. Physically you are apart. Physically not you are with your partner, but the connection must be there. That is why you have to better understand that. How many times your twin running from you, they have to come towards you. This is the process. This is the process. So, when your twin is meeting you, suddenly attracted to you, then they are moving to somewhere else, to their exes or their partners, third party situation, that is going to be important. I want to say why, the reason why. When you met your twin, the twins, what do you call, their shadow self is awakening. First, their shadow self is awakening. Most probably, masculine twin must be the runner. Masculine twin must be the runner. Because masculine twins almostly program to their energy to go to the darkness, then come to the light. Okay? So when they are going to the darkness, they are almostly vibrating with the devil energy. Actually, that is your twin partner, that is your divine partner, but he is not in the divine self at that time. Most probably when you are meeting your partner, they are in the shadow self. Because of the past life experiences, because of the life they are living in the past, so they are not ready for your love. Most probably to the unconditional love. So they are all mostly moving to somewhere else because their soul must be awakening when you are meeting them. So first the shadow self is come to the life. That is why at that time they are not in the light. They are in the darkness with devil energy. That is why they are going to the addicted behavior, treating you like, I want to say, very abusive way, abusive behavior, want to earn you, want to keep you with you, more jealous, more what you call anger, frustrated. The reason why they are the shadow self within themselves is awakening first. What you call ego self, their ego. So when the person is vibrating with the ego self, they are almost acting like a devil. Their love must be conditional. But that is not the divine plan. No? Divine didn't give these people to come to you as the devil. They had to be the divine partner. That is why they are attracting to the very low frequency level beings when they are in the negative energy. So that is why they are going to the excess, addicted behavior, alcoholism, sex, all the things. Why? Because they have to learn the lesson to remove this shadow self, to come to the light. So my lovely divine feminines, the advice you to, if your partner is acting like this way, you have to block them. Don't talk to them. Keep boundaries and move on. Okay? The reason why God tell me, the archangel told me that when they are operating with this, because they have to go into the lessons, when they are living with the karmic people with the same energy frequency levels, they had to go through so much, because God giving so much lesson to them to learn and the lessons and move away from the energy. Until they are moving away, this energy is totally to come to the divine self. They cannot be together with you because they have to operate it to the light, to the unconditional love. So it takes time. It takes time. The feminine has to be the feminine has to be patient. Okay, that is why their energy is not the tough, their energy is not the way you are telling. The energy must be very innocent, like a little kid. That is their divine self. But when you meet your twin, they are not in the vibration frequency levels that you are thinking about the divine self. They are operating with the shadow self, devil self. Okay, this is a process. That is why they have to, there is a separation. Separation must be needed. Separation must be needed, because if God make twin partners to live unconditionally to each other without any condition forever, not 1 month, 2 month, forever. So both twin has to go into the separations to remove your shadow self, shadow aspects in your soul level, not the physical, soul level. That is the process.